The Dallas Firefighter Museum across from Fair Park was not spared from last Monday's floodwaters. The amount of damage, not known yet. But the flood came as the museum is in the middle of trying to raise money to remodel the historic building. Fox 4's Sean Rapp has our report.
Last week, when floodwaters began rising across North Texas, including Dallas, firefighters answered the call. But those same floodwaters affected the Dallas Firefighters Museum.
We had a drain pipe up top that stopped up, and it just started filling the place with water.
These images show firefighters bailing water out of the old fire station number 5 that's been home to the Firefighters Museum 50 years on Perry Street across from Fair Park.
A roof fell in a mop sink area room, and so all that's been pulled down, and then, you know, just damage. We're just been trying to control the damage at this point.
$30,000 a year visit the museum that depends only on donations for its teaching work. Historic artifacts that were soaked have been taken to a special place to try and be saved.
I think we've been able to save most of the equipment. That's still to be seen, though. We're going to have to look at things. Some things may need to be painted or retouched up.
Buckets that bailed water from the museum Monday now sit mostly dry.
And it's history for us in the city and for the children coming up, and I mean for even the country. This is going to be one of the #1 fire museums in the nation when we are done with this campaign.
A campaign to raise money, $10 million to remake the museum's home inside and out.
The museum embarked a few years ago on restoring the outside of the building, full restoration to the original 1907 shell.
$2 million raised in the last year. Now flood damage that insurance won't cover.
I think we're going to really rely on the community to step up, support us, donors, corporations, as we embark on assessing the damage, which will increase the capital campaign goal, but relatively conservative to capital campaigns in Dallas.
A 3-day fundraiser is planned for the Dallas Firefighters Museum October 28th through 30th. The 28th is First Responders Day. We have a link with all the information about that fundraiser on our website, fox4news.com. Sean Rabb, Fox 4 News.